In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add approvals to custom workloads in Wrike. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start getting structured approvals right inside your projects. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you're in the right account and space where your work lives. From your main workspace, look over to your left-hand navigation panel and locate the project that you want to add an approval to. This might be part of a folder, or it could be a standalone project, depending on how your workspace is organized. Click on the project to select it. When you do this, Wrike will open up the project view, often in a table or list layout, where you can see all of the tasks, custom fields, and other details related to that project. It's important to double check that you're in the correct project here, especially if you work with multiple teams or clients. Adding an approval to the wrong project can cause confusion, so take a second to confirm the project name and contents before you move on. With your project open, look toward the panel or area where you can see item details. You should see options related to managing the work, such as descriptions, assignees, dates, and other controls. In this same section, you'll find the option to add an approval. Now, click on Add Approval. This is the key action that tells Wrike you want to start a formal approval process for this project's work. When you click it, Wrike will either open an approval panel or a dialog where you can configure the approval details, such as who needs to review the work, any deadlines for the approval, and additional context the approvers might need. At this stage, you can start defining who should be involved, what exactly they're approving, and by when. Even though those configuration actions aren't covered in this short guide, it's a good idea to think ahead about your approval workflow before you click Add Approval, so you can fill everything in quickly and accurately. And that's it for the basic setup. You've selected your project and initiated the approval process by clicking on Add Approval, which is the foundation for managing structured reviews in your custom workloads in Wrike.